Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The MSI Thin series has long been recognized for its focus on a specific niche within the portable computer market, prioritizing a slim profile and lightweight chassis while still offering the dedicated hardware necessary for gaming and intensive creative work. This specific iteration of the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop arrives with a notable set of specifications that distinguish it from the standard base models often found on retail shelves. It features an Intel Core i5-13420H processor, which is paired with an unusually high amount of memory for this category, sitting at 32 GB of RAM. Storage is equally expansive with a 2 TB solid-state drive, and the package is rounded out by an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. This configuration is often sought after by those who need a machine that balances the demands of modern software with the physical requirement of being easy to carry between locations. The inclusion of a 512 GB docking station set further suggests that this machine is intended to function as a versatile hub for both mobile and stationary use. When examining the build and design of this laptop, the primary focus is clearly on the concept of portability within the gaming space. The chassis is finished in a professional gray color, which helps it blend into more formal environments like classrooms or offices more easily than laptops with aggressive styling or bright accents. Despite the thin profile, the design incorporates the necessary cooling vents to manage the heat generated by the dedicated graphics chip and the 13th generation processor. The 15.6-inch display is an IPS level panel, which is a significant detail for users who value consistent color and wide viewing angles. Perhaps the most important feature of the screen for gamers and those who appreciate smooth motion is the 144Hz refresh rate. This allows the screen to update the image 144 times per second, resulting in much more fluid transitions and reduced motion blur compared to standard 60 Hz displays. The keyboard features a backlight, which is a practical addition for working in low-light conditions, and the overall footprint of the device remains compact enough to fit into most standard backpacks designed for 15-inch laptops. The performance of this laptop is driven by a combination of components that offer a specific kind of utility. The Intel Core i5-13420H is a 13th generation processor that utilizes a hybrid architecture. This means it has a mix of performance cores for heavy tasks and efficient cores for background processes, which helps in managing battery life and thermal output during less demanding activities. While it is an i5 rather than an i7 or i9, it is more than capable of handling everyday multitasking and modern gaming when paired with the right supporting hardware. The 32 GB of RAM is perhaps the most striking part of this build. In a market where 8 or 16 GB is the standard, 32 GB provides a significant amount of headroom. This matters because it allows the system to keep more applications open simultaneously without slowing down and provides the necessary memory for memory-intensive tasks like high-resolution video editing or running virtual machines. The 2 TB solid-state drive ensures that users have ample space for large game libraries, high-definition media files, and complex project folders without having to rely on external storage immediately. This drive also contributes to the overall snappiness of the system, ensuring that Windows 11 and various applications boot up and load quickly. On the graphics side, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 serves as the entry point into the world of ray tracing and AI-enhanced upscaling via DLSS. While it is not the most powerful card in the NVIDIA lineup, it is designed to provide a solid experience at 1080p resolution, making it well suited for the integrated full high-definition display. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 technology is another performance factor that should not be overlooked, as it provides faster and more stable wireless internet connections, which is vital for online gaming and large file transfers in crowded network environments. The utility of this specific configuration extends beyond the internal components. The fact that this set includes a docking station changes how the device can be used in a home or office setting. A docking station allows a user to connect multiple peripherals, such as external monitors, keyboards, mice, and wired internet, through a single connection point. This effectively turns the portable laptop into a desktop replacement when it is parked at a desk. For someone who spends their day moving between meetings or classes and then returns to a dedicated workspace, this setup eliminates the friction of plugging and unplugging several cables every time they move. The docking station also provides additional storage, which can be used for backups or as a secondary drive for files that do not need to be on the laptop at all times. This laptop is best suited for a specific type of user who requires a high degree of versatility. Students are a primary demographic for this machine, as they often need a computer that is light enough to carry across a campus all day but powerful enough to handle specialized software for engineering, design, or data science. The 32 GB of RAM is particularly beneficial for students who might be running demanding academic software alongside dozens of browser tabs and communication apps. Casual gamers will also find value here, as the 144Hz screen and the RTX 3050 graphics card provide a smooth experience for popular titles and esports games. Furthermore, freelance professionals who do not want the bulk of a traditional gaming laptop but need the performance of a dedicated GPU for creative work will likely appreciate the balance struck by the MSI Thin. It offers the professional look of a business laptop with the internal power typically reserved for more specialized machines. It is important to note that this specific version of the laptop is an upgraded model. This means that the original manufacturer seal was opened so that a third party could install the additional RAM and the larger solid-state drive. This is a common practice to provide consumers with higher specifications than what the manufacturer offers in their base configurations. Because of this, the warranty is split. There is a 1-year warranty from the upgrader on the specific components they installed, while the original 1-year manufacturer warranty covers the rest of the laptop. This is a balanced approach that ensures the user is protected even though the internal hardware has been modified from its original state. At the time of writing, this entire set, including the upgraded laptop and the docking station, is priced at around $1,079. When considering the price, it is helpful to look at the total value of the individual upgrades. Adding a 2 TB drive and 32 GB of memory separately can be a significant expense, and having them pre-installed with a warranty provides a level of convenience and security. The inclusion of the docking station further adds to the overall value proposition, as it is a functional accessory that many users would otherwise have to purchase separately to complete their setup. In summary, the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop with these specific upgrades represents a focused attempt to provide a high-capacity workstation in a portable form factor. It does not try to be the most powerful gaming machine on the market, nor does it try to be the thinnest ultrabook. Instead, it occupies a middle ground where it offers substantial memory and storage alongside a capable processor and entry-level dedicated graphics. This makes it a practical choice for those who need a reliable all-rounder that can transition from productivity to entertainment without much effort. The high refresh rate screen and the docking station integration are thoughtful touches that enhance the user experience in different ways, whether one is focused on smooth visuals during gameplay or maintaining an organized and efficient workspace. It is a matter-of-fact solution for users who prioritize a blend of high-end internal capacity and physical mobility. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.